Safety is an important concern when working with the electrical systems of hybrid vehicles, particularly when removing and installing hybrid vehicle batteries. Because of the high voltage that the batteries generate, removing and installing hybrid batteries is an inherently dangerous activity and can lead to serious or even fatal injuries. Suitable training is essential before removing, installing, or servicing this product, which should only be attempted by a qualified technician. Please attentively watch this video and read the technical specification sheets, warnings, instructions, and safety measures that accompany the product. Using the proper techniques and safety measures for removing, installing, or servicing hybrid vehicles' batteries are your sole responsibility. You personally assume all risks and responsibilities for any damage, injury, or death that result from your misuse of our products or from your failure to use the proper safety equipment or take the proper safety measures. If you are not a qualified technician, do not attempt to remove, install, or service hybrid vehicle batteries. To complete this installation, you will need the following tools: deep sockets in 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, and T30, a trim removal tool, a ratchet or impact wrench with a 6-inch extension, a Cat 3 1000 volt rated voltmeter and leads, and high voltage gloves with leather protectors that are Class 0 1000 volt rated. And remember, when working with high-voltage hybrid vehicle systems, always wear insulating gloves until instructed to remove them. To begin the installation, turn the ignition key to the off position and remove the key from the vehicle. Slide the front seats to their forwardmost position. Remove the rear seat bottom and 3 bolts securing the seat belts to the floor. Remove the seat back. Remove the 2 bolts securing the cover over the high-voltage disconnect breaker. While pressing down on the red button, switch the breaker to the off position. Remove the bolt located above the breaker and remove the T30 bolts securing the battery cover to the battery housing. Put on your high-voltage gloves and remove the cover. Check for voltage across the 2 orange cables. If the voltage is below 30 volts, you can remove your high-voltage gloves. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts securing the high-voltage cables. Disconnect the 2 harnesses from the top of the battery, 1 orange harness from the computer, and 1 connector going to the battery. Using a 12mm socket, remove the 4 bolts securing the battery case to the vehicle. Lift the battery up and out of the car using metal handles attached to the battery case, being careful not to catch the wiring on the electronics end of the battery. Simply reverse the process to reinstall. Once the installation is complete, please use the following procedures when packing the original battery core for return shipment and credit. The battery core must be intact and returned in the shipping container provided with the replacement battery. The core must be the same part type and application as the purchased replacement unit. Do not write on the shipping container. And finally, contact the place of purchase for core credit and shipping instructions. For technical support, visit www.dormanproducts.com. or call 866-933-2911. This video is for general information purposes only. Dorman Products Incorporated makes no representations or warranties, oral or written, express or implied, regarding the information contained in this video. You are responsible for consulting and complying with all state and federal laws. Please consult with an ASE-certified automotive professional before any automotive repairs. The entire risk as to the results and the performance of the information contained in this video is assumed by the viewer. And in no event shall Dorman Products Incorporated or its customers be liable for any consequential, incidental, special, or direct damages suffered in the course of using the information in this video.